Hello and welcome back. Two types of scaling, vertical and horizontal. Three methods: declarative, manual and automatic. We are seeing all the combination, also applicable for a particular container or particular service. We are going to discuss about all of this. And we already discussed about menu scaling. We also discussed about vertical menu scaling and perform lab for this as well. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about horizontal menu scaling. So, let's start. Now, as always, we are going to start with introduction. Docker horizontal menu scaling means adding more containers of the same service to handle and increase the traffic or load. Previously, we increased capacity by adding more resources. Here, we are going to add more replicas. Okay. It doesn't happen automatically, so you manually spin up or stop the container as needed. This method helps you to distribute the workload across multiple containers to ensure better performance. You know that it is a horizontal scaling, so we need to increase number of replicas. Now here we are going to perform lab. Now horizontal menu scaling configuration. Now again we have two options, single container and services. Now as you know that here we are actually playing with the number of replicas. Now in the single container we have only one particular container, so there is no way that we can increase this capacity. So docker run command, and if we are creating single container, then it is not going to work over here. So horizontal menu scaling is not actually applicable to the single container. So horizontal menu scaling is not possible for single container as it requires to running multiple container to distribute the load, right? Now we are going for the services. We are going to increase replicas of services. So here we are going to create one service, Docker service create, name myweb, and we are creating one replica. Before I am going to execute this command, I want to verify that how many containers I have. So I am going to give command Docker service ls. I have one service. I am going to remove this. Okay. So Docker service rm my service. Now it is clear. Now let's create one service and we are just going to use only one replica. It will create one service with only one replica, and that we can verify using Docker service ls command. Now look at this. Only one replica. Now this replica can able to handle 50 customers at a time, but suddenly I am getting more customers. So in this case, I want to increase this number. Even I am getting 300 or 250 users. Now in this case, I want to create 5 replica. Now here, we just want to understand the command. The command is Docker service, but not update or anything. The Docker service scale is a command. So Docker service scale. Myweb is the name of the service, and now we want 5 replicas. Okay, so let's copy this and let's paste it over here. So now this same service myweb will have 5 replicas. So it just increase number of replicas, and we have 5 replicas now. So we
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video, or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.